This is the last step of working on the underarms. My sleeves were worked clockwise or right to left in a circle, and I will weave in the yarn end from left to right. So that's the yarn tail on the wrong side, inside the sweater. And if I pull it to the right, it looks good. But if I pull it to the left, like this, there will be a gap. So I'm going to weave in the yarn tail to the right in the opposite direction to the direction of working on the sleeve. And so I'm not confused when I turn my sweater inside out, I'm placing this marker. So it will show the direction in which I will weave in the yarn tail. My sweater is now inside out, and I'm zooming in to be able to show it much closer. So that's the yarn tail, and if I pull it to the right, there will be a hole. So if I pull it to the left, it will close up that hole. So the marker shows the correct way. And my yarn tail is already threaded on the needle. So I'm going to the left. I will continue outlining the stitches like this, going under both horizontal loops up, and then continue the outline of the stitches, going under this 2 horizontal loops down. And it already looks better. The hole is closed, and I can continue working in the direction of the marker. And I can work my way to the left, or I can go up or down. In my case, I prefer to go diagonally up towards the sleeve because it's the least visible area. To move up, I first go under 2 horizontal stitches like this, and then instead of going down the stitch, I continue climbing up. So I go under 2 more horizontal loops. First under one, and then under the second one in the upward direction. And now I can turn back and finish outlining this stitch. Make sure I don't make my stitches too tight. And again go up, and so on. And once my yarn tail is really short, I can either just cut it or I can continue with a hook. So this is how the underarm looks on the wrong side. It is seamless, no holes, no gaps in both corners. And this is the right side. Again, no holes, seamless, and the corners look very neat, no extra stitches, everything is symmetrical. And this is the final look after washing and blocking. It is seamless, no holes in the corners, and no extra stitches.